Welcome you all back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today I'm going to share with you another Ghanaian soup recipe. Today we are going to prepare palm nut soup, which we call it in Ghana Abenkwan. And Abenkwan Papa Bio. I have all the ingredients that I'm using today in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out for me. Palm nut soup is a very popular soup in Ghana, in West Africa. In Ghana is one of the most consumed soup. Preparing palm nut soup can be time consuming as compared to other soup, but you have the one that is already in the can. That one is so easy. So today is a quick soup that I'm gonna make it and share with you how I do it. Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. Don't forget to like this video, share with your loved ones, follow or subscribe to this channel for more recipe. Thank you very much and keep on supporting me. Love you all. I have been cooking this meat for 15 minutes and I'm now adding my cooked and blended vegetable, which is carrots, onion, tomatoes, and then the bell pepper. So after adding, you stir and then I'll cover to cook for 10 minutes before I add the mixed palm nut paste that we are using. This is the type of palm nut paste that I'm using today. It has all the ingredients that you want to enjoy. Turkey berry, the precursor, all mixed together. So I mix this paste with some warm water, then I strain it and I'm now adding on the meat to cook until a lot of oil come on top. That makes you know that the soup is ready. And I'm cooking the snails on it separate because you always cook to let people enjoy your food. And the person requested don't like snails, to cook it separate. If it's done, then I'll take its part and then add to the soup. If you like it, you can start with the rest of the meat that you are cooking. Home Sweet Food. I rinse the blender and then I'm just pouring that water in the soup. You cook to let people enjoy your food. You can also share with me how you also make your easy and quick Ghana Abenkwan. You say ekoye na Abenkwan de be koye prempi na yesi eni fufu. Na we nye fufu nso e obetim de mutu adi emo obetim de adi. Nye wo pebia you can enjoy this soup with either being rice, fufu, and pesi. You name it. Thank you all for the support. Don't forget to like this video. Share this with your loved ones. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Love you all for the support. No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. So I do add my fish at this point, not to start with, to mash the fish in the soup and stay gentle not to break them. And I've already seasoned this fish with some salt and then onion powder. So you get to know if your soup is ready if you have this excess oil on top. Yeah, this tells you your soup is ready. And don't forget to skim the oil that come on top. Yeah, you don't want to enjoy your soup with this excess oil, so just skim the oil on top and then is ready to serve out. This soup is ready. Thank you all. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. So now the soup is done, then I set some aside to add my snails, and I'll be adding some precursor. This one is a blended one that I got from Ghana, and added some to add more flavor. And just say Ankasa. You are all invited. You can see the soup is ready. It doesn't take long to do it. I've added everything. Then I'm gonna enjoy this with fufu. Thank you all for supporting me. Bye bye. See you in my next video, and you all stay safe. Love you all.